viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. A crochet flower vase designs is a decorative piece made using crochet techniques to either cover a vase or create a vase-like structure that holds flowers, real or artificial. It blends handmade texture with soft, cozy, and often vintage-style beauty. It is basically a crocheted cover for a glass bottle or jar, or a fully crocheted vase shape. Types of crochet flower vase designs. Vase cover style. Crochet is wrapped around a glass jar, bottle, or tin can. Easy for beginners. Gives a rustic cottage feel. Example: a mason jar covered with cream yarn and lace pattern. A standalone crochet vase made entirely with yarn uses stiffening methods like glue or stars to hold shape, often used for artificial flowers or jade stems. Example: a small round crochet vase with a narrow neck. Hanging crochet vase designed to hang on walls or windows. Holds small flowers or greenery, perfect for cottagecore or farmhouse decor. Decorative flower vase wall art, not functional for water, used as wall decoration with crochet flowers attached. Common design style: vintage lace pattern for soft, elegant, and romantic. Boho style for colorful, textured, and relaxed. Why people love it? For handmade and unique. For eco-friendly, reuse bottles or jars. Perfect for cozy cottage and vintage decor. Great DIY gift idea. Here are more creative and practical tips to make your crochet flower vase design look truly beautiful, unique, and professional. First, choose the right yarn for the look. Use cotton yarn, best for clean, neat, and vintage look. Jute twine, perfect for rustic farmhouse style. Soft acrylic yarn, cozy and colorful, great for beginners. Tip: for a vintage cottage feel, go with simply faded or pastel colors. Play with texture and stitch patterns. Instead of simple stitches, try shell stitch. Gives a floral, lacy look, puff stitch, and softness and dimension. Open mace or lace, feel light, airy, and elegant. Texture makes your vase look more designer and lace basic. Add a lining for structure. Place a glass jar or bottle inside, or stitch the fabric lining inside the crochet. This will hold shape better. Simply holds fresh flower with water. Use stiffening for standalone vases. If you are making a fully crochet vase, use glue plus water mix or fabric straws. Step: soak the crochet pit, shape it on a bottle, let it dry, result a prim, scalloped vase shape. Decorate with the small details. Make your vase more eye-catching. Add tiny crochet flowers, sew on pearls or wooden beads. Tie a choo-choo bow or ribbon. Small details equal big aesthetic upgrade. Mix colors beautifully. Use ombre shades, light to dark. Try two-tone combinations. Keep a neutral base plus pop color. Example: cream base plus soft pink flowers equal dreamy cottage vibe. Match with flowers for a theme. Jade lavender for calm vintage feel. wild flowers for natural courtesy style, artificial roses for romantic decor. Always match first color with flower color. Create shades inside of on page. Make 2 to 3 vases in different sizes. Same color theme. Place them together. Looks like a style decor collection. Use recycled items creatively. Use old glass bottles, tin cans, or small jars. Wrap crocheter around them. For eco-friendly plus budget-friendly. Focus on shape design. Try different shapes, slim and tall, equal elegant, round and short, cute and cozy, bottle-neck for classic vintage. Shape changes the whole mood of your decor. Perfect placement matters. Place your crochet vase on wooden shelves, near windows with sunlight, on bedside table. Natural light makes crochet texture stand out beautifully. Add a seasonal touch, spring. Use pastel colors plus flowers. For autumn, use earthy tones plus giant leaves. For winter, use white plus cozy textures. Keeps your decor fresh all year. Layer your crochet design on a sheet of on-flat layer. Add a base layer plus overly laced layer, or add a sturdy crochet flowers on top. This creates depth and a rich handcrafted look. Use mixed materials. Combine crochet with lace fabric, burlap or jute cloth. Wooden buttons or tags. Mixing texture makes your vase feel more premium and styled. Try gradient ombre yarn. Use yarn that changes color gradually, or switch shades while crocheting. Creates a soft, flowing color effect, perfect for modern courtesy decor. Add rings or tassels. Add small tassels at the bottom and rings edged for a boho look. Great for hanging vases or decorative pieces. Use fine thread for delicate designs instead of thick yarn. Try thin crochet thread. Create intricate lace patterns, perfect for a soft, vintage, elegant cottage vibe. Highlight the rim top edge. Make the top spatial. Add a scalloped edge. Crochet the peacock border. Fold over cuff style. The rim is the frame of your vase. Make it beautiful. Add personal handmade touch. Stitch in details or small patterns. Add a handmade tag like handcrafted with love. Makes your piece feel special and gift-worthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!